we're going to take a look at some of the food options here in Metro Manila. We're going to look at some dining, some street food, some home cooking and shopping, as well as banquet cuisine here in the Philippines. And of course, we're going to take another look at some BGC and Makati nightlife. Let's get it.
This is what I'm talking about, guys. When I say fresh, whole foods, right? These are all super low glycemic index carbohydrates, except of course for the fresh tuna steak, right? I mean, sliced ginger, like everything, and the lemongrass. Oh, I love this stuff. The talong, the eggplants. How much tuna did you buy? What did it cost you?
500 per kilo, but that's more than a kilo, 645.
So 645 pesos, and it ended up. Oh God!
Look at this.
Yeah,
Sorry.
right. We'll pass on that. Is it you're getting 12 tuna steaks, like fresh?
This is 5
tuna
I'm gonna mix
steaks
it here with the veggies and soup.
for about $1 a piece, $1 a serving. And then of course the vegetables and stuff. You remember how much any of this costs? How much are the lady fingers?
Per tali, like
Peppers, the talong.
they what do you call it when they tied it? Per tie.
Per bunch.
Per bunch. It's 10 peso.
Really?
Yes.
10 pesos for all this?
No, 10 per bunch. No, this is 3 bunch.
All right, so 30 pesos for all this okra.
Yeah.
That's about 55 cents. These are the chili leaves. I love these.
This is 15 talong.
15 each?
Yeah. No, 15 dalawa na. Tapos,
Really?
Ito 3.
It's like 25 cents for 2 Chinese eggplant.
Then this one, she said it's 3 for 10 peso, but then she said, okay, I'll just give you the other one.
Oh, how free. How nice.
This one is 10 peso each.
That's pretty cheap for lemongrass.
And
Beans.
that's what we call saluyot. It's make it soothing,
Soft, soothing. Oh, malunggay.
yeah.
Malunggay is really a fresh.
As you can see, it's
fragrant.
doesn't look fresh now because
fresh to me.
I wash it,
Oh,
but because it's crumpled now.
it has such an incredible fragrance and essence.
This is alugbate. It's 10 peso lang. This is 10 peso. This one is 10 peso each. I bought 2 bunch. And this one is sitaw, 10 peso as well.
So it's basically 6 servings. She's gonna make kind of like a soup or a stew out of it. 6 servings for about $7 or $8, and that's just all incredible whole foods. That's it. Some spices. That's how you eat, folks, and that's how you eat cheap in the Philippines.
Club Xylo in Bonifacio Global City is one of the largest clubs in Metro Manila. It has a capacity of about 1,000 people. It's always packed on the weekends, and it's definitely a good time. They only have top shelf booze in this spot. It's the closest you're going to come to that electronic dance music vibe in a major club. And for a big VIP couch like this one, you're probably going to drop about 20,000 pesos or $340. And that's going to include a lot of bottles and a lot of mixers and a lot of food. When we are running nightlife tours, we usually hit after hours. But sometimes before we hit after hours, we'll jump from one club to another, like tonight. In this case, we had a couple of friends that were chilling with a big table at Club Royal in Poblacion, Makati, and we decided to stop by, say hi, and have a few more drinks before we decided to bolt out for after hours as a big group. On a nightlife tour with my crew, you're always going to have multiple options for an evening out. I mean, these places don't even start winding down till 3 or 4 in the morning. You can see, even though it's clearing out, it's still got it going on.
We're gonna get some coconut water. Because coconut water is the best electrolyte. Chicken longanisa, Canterbury style. Chicken longanisa, Canterbury style. Oh, scrambled eggs. And what's this? Scrambled eggs?
Both. Told you. I told you I get the same.
Alright. We're gonna eat up. We're gonna go home. It was a red themed party tonight. It's the only red shirt I can rock. A couple things I talk about are one, the Manila community. Not just the community, but the nightlife community. And then there's the Videolux community. And this is Videolux Philippines, I'm Eric. Channel, all that shit. Alright, get past that. It's not just a nightlife community here. Secret door behind me. Premier After Hours Spot Manila. And we're rolling it early. We're rolling in about 6 hours before it's going to get bumping. And there's a reason for that, because we're at a birthday party tonight. It's like connections. But it's not just connections, it's not just networking. Because not only is there a community in Manila, there's like the inside community. Tonight was inside community. 6 hours before like things get popping. Did not expect to make a Monday night a blowout night, but the one thing I always say about Manila is you never know what's going to happen, and that's what keeps it amazing. So let's see what we got tonight. Oh! Yeah, baby doll. Look at you go. Sick. Look at that. Told you, man. Chad's on fire tonight. Yeah! What the fuck, Mickey? Insane!
Hard to describe the community in Manila, but you know, it's a lot of old friends. Some of us have a lot of history here, live here through lockdown, all kinds of crazy. But we got a lot of new friends too, and it's always a good time here in the metro, especially if the girls haven't seen each other in a while. It's let's just say a little bit of an excuse to party, not like you need one in Metro Manila. Another channel member nightlife tour out. You know, some nights in Manila it gets jumping real early, and sometimes the bar has what I would call a favorable ratio, like it did tonight. And as a result, let's just say my bro made a nice connection, and we were going pretty hard. We decided to call a mid-evening break and hit the restaurant. Normally we don't do that till way after hours, but tonight we went for a late dinner. If it's your first time in Manila, you gotta swing in to the Epic Filling Station. Yeah, they actually do fantastic burgers here. Not the cheapest option in BGC and Makati, but they got it all. I love the quesadillas in this joint. We definitely had a great little meal before heading back out to the party scene. After the late dinner, we are back out for the bar scene. Yeah, the night is young and Manila is a late night town. Sometimes we roll into after hours just a little bit earlier to make sure we can get one of the best seats in the house, and we're gonna party till the sun comes up. Time flies in that after hour spot. Before you know it, it's sunup and we are off for an early breakfast or a late dinner. Can't really roll the audio on this one for public YouTube, but if you want to see what we're talking about, check out the members only version. Yeah, you can join this channel as a member and you'll see the unedited, uncensored, full videos every week. Another fantastic option for dining out in Manila is samgyeopsal. That's Korean barbecue. It's basically all you can eat, and it's just a lot of fun. I would normally be rolling the audio on a clip like this, but yeah, I kind of wasn't very family friendly in some of my blue words and content topics of discussion, despite the fact that we're talking a little bit about the food. Anyway, again, you can see all the uncensored videos every week if you join the channel as a member. If you've never been out for Korean barbecue, it's like 10 to 12 side dishes. They put charcoal right on the table, and it's all you can eat. Beef, chicken, pork. Some places will even do shrimp and lobster or sushi rolls. Like, it's basically unlimited. And this is the way to go if you want to go hardcore on a meal in Manila.
I'm telling you, it's insane. I mean, Jesus, more beef. Like, I'll eat all of that. We'll throw it on the fucking grill. Like,
That's a wrap, guys. Thanks so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Again, consider subscribing or joining the channel as a member for all kinds of extra content. And always, every week, more coming up. Lifestyle and nightlife in Metro Manila.